Here are 10 quick and healthy breakfast recipes for weight loss along with key ingredients and preparation instructions. 1. Avocado and Egg Toast. 1. Ingredients: whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg, salt, and pepper. 2. Instructions: toast the bread. 2. Mash the avocado and spread it over the toast. 2. Top with a poached or fried egg, season with salt and pepper, and enjoy. 2. Overnight oats. 1. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, fresh berries, and honey. 2. Instructions: combine oats, almond milk, and chia seeds in a jar. 2. Refrigerate overnight. 2. Top with fresh berries and honey before eating. 3. Smoothie Bowl. 1. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 cup frozen berries, 1 cup almond milk, and granola. 2. Instructions: blend the banana, berries, and almond milk until smooth. 2. Pour into a bowl and top with granola and fresh fruit. 4. Protein pancakes. 1. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup cottage cheese, and cinnamon. 2. Instructions: blend all ingredients into a smooth batter. 2. Cook in a skillet over medium heat until golden on both sides. 5. Chia pudding. 1. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup coconut milk, and a drizzle of maple syrup. 2. Instructions: mix chia seeds and coconut milk. 2. Refrigerate overnight. 2. Sweeten with maple syrup and add toppings like nuts or fruit. 6. Sweet potato breakfast hash. 1. Ingredients: 1 sweet potato, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and 2 eggs. 2. Instructions: dice and sauté the vegetables until soft. 2. Top with fried or scrambled eggs. 7. Green smoothie. 1. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1 green apple, and 1 cup almond milk. 2. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and serve. 8. Cottage cheese bowl. 1. Ingredients: 1/2 cup cottage cheese, fresh fruit, like pineapple or berries, and a sprinkle of flax seeds. 2. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a bowl and serve. 9. Breakfast burrito. 1. Ingredients: 1 whole grain tortilla, scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, and salsa. 2. Instructions: fill the tortilla with ingredients, wrap, and enjoy. 10. Peanut butter energy balls. 1. Ingredients: 3/4 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 2. Instructions: combine ingredients, form into balls, and refrigerate. These recipes are simple, nutrient-dense, and tailored for weight loss.